Hi guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you guys are not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a $20 styling fee. You get 5 items and you can get jewelry, shoes, clothing, purses. They have extras where you can get masks, bralettes, pajamas. It's amazing. So if you like these kind of videos, just keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna get into the box. So here it is. In the box, what you get is your return bag. This is where you can instantly buy items, and also your price sheet, which is right here. And we will open this up and put it off to the side. And next, let's get into the bundle. So there's one item that fell out. And also what you get is a style card. And my stylist is Krista as well, again. And I'm not gonna read the note. If you guys wanna hear the note, let me know. One of the items fell out of the bundle, so we'll do that one first. And here it is. So let's get into it. So the first item we have here is a flannel. It is a shorter flannel. It's kind of cute. I was actually looking for something like this, but in more of like fall colors, but this is really soft. It is black, white, and gray. And it is the Mellow Day Rowan Super Soft Cropped Shirt in black, size extra small. So here it is. Okay. Next we have, here is a top. This is really cute. This is something I would definitely wear. It's plain, but it has these really cute, like gold ball things. And let's see, are these real buttons? No, it's just for show. So, and they also have it on the sleeve here, so that's a cute added touch. So let me show you guys. Oh, okay, that's so really adorable. And it's just a plain black top, but again, this one is super soft. And this is by Market and Spruce. This is I can't even pronounce some of these names. Auralexia Embellished Fitted Top, size extra small. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys what the item is over here or on this side, and you can decide how to say that. So here it is, and that is the top. It's super cute. Okay, hold on one second. My dogs are howling again. Okay, so the next item we have here is a waffle top, and it is like a light tan, and it has a tie on the side, if you could see that. Really cute. Here is the material. I do like this color. It's, again, extremely soft. And here is the wrist, so you can see the arms. Very nice. Here it is. Very cute. And this is the 9 Britain top, and it is called Billy Tie Front 3Q Sleeve Brush Knit Top. So it's in beige. It doesn't look like 3/4 length sleeves to me. It looks like full length. So that's adorable. I like that. All right, next we have here is an off the shoulder top. Just show a little shoulder there. It is like a black and gray material. See that? Full length sleeves. Here is the sleeve. I like this. This is nice. This is cute. I could definitely wear this out, but it is getting cold here. This is the Market and Spruce Mealy Single Cold Shoulder Knit Top, size extra small. So we'll see how that fits. Here it is. Like that. All right, last but not least is a pair of jeans from Studio Blue. They have some distressing on them in the front, not too much. Here they are, some distressing here by the front pockets and on the one knee and a little bit on the other knee. Nothing on the back. So here we are. So these are the Studio Blue Jacita Distressed Skinny Denim in size 25. These are really adorable. All right, so what I'm gonna do is try everything on for you guys and come back and we'll get our final thoughts on the items. Okay guys, so first we have is this top. It's okay, it's just really short. You can wear it, I guess you can like tie it. If you wanted to wear something like this, it'd be a cute top like this, but it's just not something I would wear, unfortunately. It's cute, but like I said, it's just too short on me, unfortunately. So here's the material. If you're looking for something like this, let me bring you guys down a little bit so you can actually see. So here it is. It's just too short. If it was a little bit longer, I think it'd be really cute, but it's a no. Okay, so next we have are the jeans. They're actually really comfortable and fit really nice. They're a little bit loose in the waist and a tad bit long, but I actually enjoy these. They are super comfortable and stretchy and they fit really nice. So these might be a possibility. You see the distressing on them? Nothing on the back. Like I said, these are super comfortable. Okay, next we have is this top. It's really cute. I like these little ball things on here and how it goes down like this. And it has where you can button it here. And the sleeve is adorable. So this is super cute. So yeah, I mean, it fits really nice. Let me know what you guys think of this one. I actually do like this one a lot. Okay, next we have this top. It is really cute. I do like how it fits. I like the tie right here. I like how it has the waffle knit and it's kind of a cream color. It is really adorable. It fits really nice. Let me know what you guys think about this one. This tie is really adorable. Really cute. Okay, last but not least is this top. I think it's really cute. It has the off the shoulder right here. It's kind of like a dolman, but it is really nice. It fits and sets really nice on the back here. It's definitely my style. I don't know if I would wear it with these jeans though. Maybe a light color jean or just like one that doesn't have any distressing. So let me know what you guys think of this one. It is really cute. Here is the off the shoulder part. Let me know what you think. Okay guys, so let's get into the items and the pricing. So let me get my price sheet, which I have right here. So the Studio Blue jeans that I will not be keeping were $58. They were nice, but I have a ton of jeans, so I really just don't need these. Okay, next we have is this cute top. So I'm on the fence about this. It's a kind of pricey. It is the off the shoulder top. I did like this a lot, but I have to go back and watch the footage. This was $48, so that's a little pricey. Next we have is this Nine Britain top. It was the like the waffle knit with the side tie there. Really cute. I have to look at the footage. That was only $38, so I'm gonna keep that one in mind. This one I like the most out of everything in here, which I didn't think I would, which is this black top with these little like gold dots on there in the arms and the wrists. I'm gonna look back at the footage and see if I like this. This was also $38. So I have to see on that one, I'm not sure. And then last but not least was this flannel. I didn't like this. It was too short, and it's $38 as well. Actually, the Market and Spruce black shirt, oh, the one I liked the most was $54. This one's $38. So I'll have to look back. I might do the off the shoulder or the plain black top with the little gold. I have to see, but I will let you guys know in the comments down below what I like to keep. And if you like to try Stitch Fix, use my code below. You'll get $25 towards your first box. And I love doing these unboxings for you. Let me know what you guys want to see in these videos. I know there's a trunk club that someone suggested, so I will do that next. And see you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.